Good morning, children. Now we are going to take the lesson for 9th standard. Okay, yeah. This is supplementary. In one unit, one lesson, one prose, one poetry, one supplementary. Already I have completed the subjects. That is, I cannot climb trees anymore. Lesson over. A poison tree poem over. Now the fun they had. Fun, that is jolly, Just, it's an imaginary scientific fiction. Fiction, imaginary stories. It is imaginary scientific fiction by Isaac Asimov. Now we have regular classes. So when compared with our school in olden days and all, they were Gurukulam. That is, there is no school like us. No teachers. One teacher will be teacher used to be in some other place. All the children, though they are king's son or ordinary people, they have to go there and learn the thing. That is Gurukulam, they said. That mode of teaching is different from ours. Suppose if the same thing will not be happen after 20 years or 30 years, because nowadays everything is what? Electronic. We are living in the electronic world, so everything is electron. The robots are nowadays used for all the activities, all the fields. So Isaac Asimov, he has just imagined if there is no schools like now, there is everything we have to learn from the online classes are going on, you are learning at home. So we are taking lesson. Instead of the robots are taking lesson for you. How it will be. So this will be happen in the year of 2050. He imagined like this and he has given a supplementary to us. This is lesson, this non-detail, okay. So as per the thing, the characters are Margie. The writer is Isaac Asimov. Then let us see about him. It's in page number 46. He born on January 2nd, 1920. He was an American writer. Then he is a professor at biochemistry at Boston University and is famous for science fiction and popular science. He has totally written 500 books. Okay, yeah. So this is lifetime thing till he is in Boston only. Okay. Now we have to see what are the characters here. Only 3 characters. This is Margie, 11 years old girl, and Tommy, 13 years old boy. They both are friends. They got the old book, that is the year of 1970, 1980 like that. That book they got, and they discussed about the book because they have not seen the book so far like that. They got all the lesson through the computer only. They got the lessons on the screen. They are school and board, everything is new for them. So this discussed about it. Tommy, 13 years old boy, and Mrs. June, the mother of Margie. She always dissatisfied with her daughter. She feels the daughter is not studying properly. We in our school we have principal, headmasters like that. In the same way, there is county inspector. He is the in charge of the robots and everything, and he is analyzing whether the robots are functioning properly or not. Any other doubts in the lessons or any other doubts on the thing, they have to go to county inspector only. Shall we go to the play now? So see the postcard given there. It is 1901 to 1910. Okay, just imagine. So in the beginning of 19th century, the schools and other things are different. Nowadays we are in different world, different school. Then after 20 years or 30 years or 50 years, the school will be entirely different. Just imagine what will happen in 2050, 50. Okay, now our lesson goes to 2050. What's the year now? 2020. After 30 years, it will be happen. So Margie even wrote about that. They got the book, old book, and the story is based on the old book only. Okay. Margie she got the habit of writing diaries. Writing diaries is a good habit. So whatever the incidents happen today, so we have to write in our diaries. So after 10 years also we can recollect what are the things happen in that year, in what day it is. Margie even wrote about it night in her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157. Sorry, not 2050 also, 2157. So she is writing 17th May 2057. She is writing. Today Tommy found a real book. Real book means what? This kind of book is what? Real book. What they got the book is on the screen. The book was very old book. Margie's grandfather once said, when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all the stories were printed on paper. Before that, there was no book like this. Everything in the papers only. They have to gather the papers, they stitch the papers and learn like that. Nowadays, we got the books. The pages turned and which were yellow and crinky because so many years passed away. The story will be happen in 2157. Because of that, the pages of these books have become yellow and shrinky. Okay, yeah. And it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way. They got the words, they are moving on the screen. Here nothing has moved, that is still printed on the paper only. So she got a surprise. Who got a surprise? The Tommy and Margie both, they are just seeing the book. So they were supposed to on a screen, and then when turned back to page before, it had same words on it that it had when they read it first time. So what are the books in the front page? The same book as seen in the next page also, because the words are repeated words only. So they discussed. Now who are all there? Tommy and Margie. Tommy got the book. The story happened in 2157. They discussed about the book. Okay. They got the books. The books are in yellow pages because 100 years, more than 120, 130, 37 years passed over. So immediately Tommy said, what a waste. When you are thrown with the book, you just throw it away. So if it is a book, if you are throwing means throw only, again it cannot be getting back, but not the screen. Screen, once you have seen the lesson and you have copied down means it will be remaining, the screen will be remaining for so many hundreds of years together. He said like that. And it is good for plenty more. I would not throw it away. He said, the book can be thrown away. Once it's thrown only. Again we cannot get. This is our book, what we are using at present. In the future, in 2157, the books are on the screen. So instead of one lesson, there are many lessons, plenty of lessons together. It will be useful to them. He said like that. Same with mine, said Margie. Tom said like that. Margie too supported him. Yes, I too said. I too got the book which is on the screen only, not this kind of book. She was 11 and had not seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. Tommy was 13 years old. So where did you find it? She asked. Where did you find the book? Immediately the boy said, in my house. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. Attic means what? We said no, loft. The loft only he found the book. Okay, yeah. So this real book Tommy got in his house on the loft, attic. So what is about? She asked. Okay, you got the book, okay. What's the book about? He said the book is about the school. She's surprised. Who is surprised? Maggie. And she said, school. What is the school? Because she was scornful, she was painful, she doesn't like even robots teaching also. She said, school. Was there to write about school? I hate the school. Who dislikes? Margie dislikes the school and she said, I hate the school. Immediately what Tom said? No. This is not the school what you think. There is no school at home. There is a particular place. That particular place, all the children must go to the place and the teacher will be there. It is not like our school. At present in 2157, where is the school? The school is their houses itself. It may be one of the rooms in the house. The school is one of the rooms in the house. Who will be the teacher? Robot will be the teacher. They have to learn the lessons from the online screen of the robot. Okay, yeah. But this school is entirely the present what we are seeing. Our school is different from that 2157 school. Even Margie hated the school. Because the mechanical teacher, who is the mechanical teacher here? Robot. This is mechanical teacher. The mechanical teacher giving test. After test in geography, she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So why Margie disliked the school means, she used to write she used to listen the lessons and she used to write the test. Immediately the test papers are out to place on the screen. The robot mechanical teacher immediately correct and give the test papers. She wrote geography test very worst, not even 1 mark, 2 mark like that. So his mother complained to the county inspector county inspector like principal. Our principal in our school like that. So Margie's mother took her to the county inspector and said, this is the defect, she is not learning. Immediately what county inspector, how the county inspector, you see, who is county inspector? He was a round little man. The county inspector is round little man. He was a round little man with a red face and whole box of tools with dials and wire. He is also not like a man not a man like us. He is also a machine only. It's round little, face is red, and in the whole box, the body is fully by what? Tools and wires only. That's another robot. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. Then took the teacher apart. Teacher apart means what? He is carrying away the teacher. Is it possible to carry away me? No, because that is machine, robot, no? So he carry away the teacher and just separate the teacher and reassembled it. Some wires, maybe there is some mistakes in the wires. He is reconnected it. So immediately what Margie thought, she was lucky enough if the county inspector does not know to arrange properly. But unfortunately, he arranged the robot teacher, mechanical teacher, and he come back again from the place. Okay, we'll see what has happened. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put together again, but he knew how all right, and then after hour or so, within hour, he just separate the teacher, mechanical teacher, separate the parts from that, and he has reassembled everything, and within 1 hour, he just got back the mechanical teacher. And he said, there is no fault on Margie. The fault on only the mechanical teachers. There is some wire, something may happen like that. Nowadays, after this, she will learn properly. He said to Mrs. Jones. Who is Mrs. Jones? Margie's mother. Okay, yeah. So, he said, it is not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quickly, slowed it up an average of 10-year level, he said. Because the process, the machine is working fastly. So just I remove that and I make it up to go slow. Now it will be okay, your daughter will study nicely. He said like that. So Margie was disappointed again. She has to go for the mechanical school, and then mechanical teacher she has to face every day. Because once the same thing was happened in Tom's house, the mechanical teacher will be at repair for at least 1 month. So till 1 month the boy was free. The same thing Margie also expected, but her bad luck, unfortunately, immediately within an hour the mechanical teacher was repaired and again sent back to the house. She said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? Tommy looked at her with a very superior eyes, because it's not our kind of school, he said. He only said what kind of school was in 1957 or 2020, like that he said. This is the oldest kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds years of ago, 1 century before. This is 2157, ours is 2020, at least 137 years, 1 century. 1 century means what? 100 years before. So Margie was at, well, don't know what kind of school they had all the time ago. She asked what kind of school it is. She read the book over the shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. And Tom explained what kind of school it is. There was a school. Children used to go to the particular building. There is a school in the particular building. Children used to go there. There will be a teacher to teach the lessons, and everything is said very clearly. But the mechanical teacher, she is in their houses. Okay, yeah. Tom house, one mechanical teacher is there. Margie house, one mechanical teacher is there, because everyone has got the mechanical teacher in their house, next to the bedroom or next to the hall, like that they are keeping. So they say they too got the teacher in 2000, but the teacher is human. Human means what? Human being like us. A human, how could human be a teacher? She asked, how the human be a teacher? Is the human very clever like a robot? A human is smart enough. Who said? Tom said yes. Though they are human, they are also smart. So Margie was not prepared to dispute that. She said, I would not want a stranger in my house to teach me. She doesn't want to teach the human teacher in her house. Then only explain what is that. They won't live in the houses, they are in the particular place. and all kinds of kids learn the same thing. Then she asked, all the children are learning in one school, then everybody is learning same. Then Tom explained, yes, this is the age group. For example, 7 years group, they are all learning in second standard, same subject. 8 years mean they are going for third standard, same subject. Like that they learnt in 2000. He explained everything clearly to the girl. But what Margie heard from her mother, teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and get it, girls and teachers, and that each kid has to be taught differently. What mother said, in the olden days and all teacher was there, they have different sets of mind. According to the children they are working, they learn, everybody is learning different subject. And then Tom said, no, not like that. The teachers have different mindset. According to children, they taught the same subjects only. So one may be clever, one may be dull. Like that, according to that, they taught the lessons. Even the human teachers are also smart enough. Margie said very clearly like this. Then immediately mommy called her, come go for the school. He said, no, I won't go to the school. Like that. But where is the school now? For Margie, it is next to her room. So the teacher started to take maths simply, whether the girl is listening or not. She is going on doing the fractions on the board. Margie did so with sigh. She was thinking about the whole school. Now only she realized how the schools nowadays we have is very important, because all the children are gathered together. They help each other. They had much fun. So she realized how in the olden days the schools are. The children have gathered together. They can share their feelings and everything. They had the fun. They are helping each other. But now, on the 2157, there is no school. The school is at home itself. Mechanical teacher is there. You have to learn individually. So, individually learning means you don't have ideas. Even though your ideas are there, you cannot share with others. So, this is the thing will happen in future. It is a scientific fiction. We don't know whether it will be possible or not. Because we are not going to alive till 2157, it's highly impossible. He said like that. This is a scientific fiction. Clear? Here, nothing else. The character are Margie, 11 years old girl, Tommy, 13 years, Mrs. Joan, Margie's mother, Robert, mechanical teacher, and county inspector to check the mechanical teachers. Okay? Only 5 characters are there. This lesson is, this non-detail is written by Isaac Asimov. He is a scientific fiction. He is a science interested man, is a professor. He has written this. This story will be happen in 17th May 2157. It's an imaginary idea. We don't know whether it is possible or not. So what are the differences between 2020 nowadays school and 2157 school? Means now here the school is a proper building. In that building, teachers are taking lesson according to the children's age. The children have joined together and they share their experience with each other. In 2157, it's a mechanical school. There is no teacher will come to that. The mechanical teacher only will take. The lessons are not printed in the book like this. The lessons are on the screen. It will be moving. So she has to learn by herself, the mechanical teacher, whether she is listening or not. She is going on taking the lesson. This will be happen in future. There is no fun. Here they are discussing, but there, the 2020 we are discussing with each other. We are sharing our ideas with your friend. This is all not possible if the schools are at home by the mechanical teacher. This is the theme of the story. Would you like what kind of school it is? Either the school like this or like that. That is your decision. Okay. Thank you, children.